Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Easy Trend Indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Easy Trend Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 872 indicators, with 365 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 60 of the winning indicators. 24 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, as I said, today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Easy Trend Indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Did make a few visual changes to this, so I'll just go ahead and reset the indicator here and kind of narrow in on it there a little bit, just like that. And so you can see that this indicator has this upper blue band, a lower blue band, and then if I kind of scroll back into it here a little bit, you can see that it has this center blue band right here. And so visually, the first thing that I did was I went in and I turned off these three plots. It's going to be the upper band, the lower band, and the middle band. And the next thing I did was I went in and I turned up the line weight of these colors here, the color 0 and the color 1, like that. There gives us what we see there on screen. So in the original testing, this was able to achieve a 60% win rate with 25 trades in the 1 year's time. So we did keep this on the daily time frame in the advanced testing. You can see this is our default take profit and stop that we use on our daily time frame in the normal first step indicator testing videos. And the way we tested this indicator in the first video was we just simply looked for the coloration of the line to switch from one color to another. And so you can see that it is green and then red and then back to green and back to red and so on, kind of tracking with trend here. And so for example, when the indicator went from a red line, and if you look at coordinates right here, you can see if I scroll over the candle here, you can see when we actually get that shift from the red to the green there. And so right here we are in red, we switch or shift to the green right here on that candle, and you can see that we get a really nice push to the upside there, which would have gotten us to our take profit. Then if we track forward with it here, you can see we looking at our coordinates here, we are in the green, and then drop into red right there. And once again, you can see that we make a decent little push to the downside there. Not as great as this one, but enough to come down and get us to our take profit nonetheless. And then one last time here, if we kind of track forward, again, looking at our coordinates, right here is when we switch from red and then to the green right there. Get a little bit of a correction right there, but then a nice push to the upside there, which does come up and get us to our take profit once again. So that's how we tested it in the original video. That's how we tested it in the advanced testing. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced test. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year to see what it was able to achieve in that advanced test. Alright, before we take a look at what it was able to achieve in the advanced testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in most of the conversations here in all these free channels. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, sometimes even where he is looking to enter a trade. And he is constantly giving some really great, awesome advice to everybody, showing really how to mark up a chart using price action kind of pattern setups, wedges, support and resistance, all kinds of great stuff. Our newest admin here is Mike from Upright Trading. Does a really great job of helping people out on indicators. He's got quite a few indicators that he has created himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really, really great indicators. He really goes above and beyond to make sure that he's constantly updating the indicators, looking at new ways to improve the indicators, and just in general helping people, giving them on advice on how to use his indicators as well as other indicators as well, not just his own. Very, very knowledgeable when it comes to indicators, and just all around it's a great environment where everybody's helping everybody out, supporting everybody, giving everybody advice, and just really uplifting each other and helping everybody become better traders. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our advanced test here. All right, so we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades. We got 28 losing trades. That is going to put us at a 44% there. So you can see that we did get a decent little drop from that 60%, which is what we see in a fair number of the indicators, is that they do drop a decent amount. Now, in the original testing, it did 25 trades, and so obviously we did 50 trades in this one. That was a pretty decent drop there for just adding 25 more trades. But kind of the issue with this indicator is that it's just too quick. It just tries to catch every little trend direction shift that takes place. And so you can see areas like this right here where it's just basically bouncing back and forth, kind of pinballing in this consolidation, taking a real big cluster of losing trades. And you can see, instead of just trying to catch the move and ride it out for an extended period of time, every little kind of twitch that the market makes, it's throwing a signal either long or short, and that just causes it to kind of overtrade, and that overtrading generally leads to reduction in the win rate. We've seen it many times before with other indicators, and so this one kind of stuck to that same kind of downfall there, And so this one is going to now go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.